In my second example, I want to look at solving a quadratic by using the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula, we know that x equals negative b plus or minus the square root b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now, before we use the quadratic formula, we need to first assign values of a, b, and c. And before we assign values of a, b, and c, our quadratic needs to be set equal to 0. So my first step, we're going to subtract x squared from both sides. So now we have 3x squared plus 3 equals negative 7x. And in my second step, we'll add 7x to both sides. So our quadratic, we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Next, let's assign values for a, b, and c. We know a is the value that's always with the x squared, b is the value of the x term, and c is the value of the constant. Next, it's a direct substitution into the quadratic formula. Negative b, so we have a negative 7 plus or minus b squared, so we have 7 squared minus 4 times the a term times the c term, all divided by 2 times the a. So we'll recopy the negative 7. We need to work out what's underneath the radical. We know that 7 squared is going to give us 49 minus 7 times 3 times 3 gives us 13. We know 13 is a number that cannot be simplified underneath the radical. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So our solution to this quadratic, x equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 13 all over 6.